Hey guys, welcome back to the Texas State Theory Test, Grade 7. In this video, we're going to be going over questions 13 and 14, so let's get started. Question 13 says, on the grand staff below, A, draw the key signature on both the treble and bass staff for each named key. Now, you should have the circle of fifths filled out on the previous page. I'm not going to go back and fill it again. So let's just start with this one. F sharp major, I know, has 6 sharps. So we're going to say our silly sentence, fat cats go down alleys eating bugs, and we're going to use everything but bugs. So let's start here. Fat cats go down alleys eating bugs. Oh, whoops, whoa. I do everything but the last one. Okay, so fat cats go down alleys eating. Okay, now with the sharp key signature, remember that the A here is going to go down. So it's high, low, low, high. Okay? Go back. Okay. The way that you can remember that the A is going to go low instead of high is if you have to add a ledger line in order to draw the sharp, you are doing something wrong. Do not add a ledger line. Just go low. So it's 2, 3, 2. That would be all 7 sharps. I guess in this case it would be 2, 3, and then 1. Okay, let's do the same thing here. So, fat cats go down alleys eating. There is my my key signature. Now part B says, on the bass staff, draw only the root notes of the 1, 4, and 5 triads. Use whole notes. Okay, so now I need to figure out what the 1 chord of F sharp major is. Well, the first note of the scale would be the 1. So I just need to draw a note on F sharp. Now what would be the 4 in F sharp? Well, let's see. F is 1, so G is 2, A is 3, B is 4. Alright, so here I'm going to draw it right there on B. As simple as that. And then 5 would be just the step up from 4. So if 4 is B, then 5 would be C. I'm not going to draw it on middle C. I'm going to drop it an octave and draw it down here. Okay, so there's my root notes. Now part C says, on the treble staff, construct the 1, 4, and 5 triads in root position. Use whole notes. Pretty basic. So again, we're just going to draw an F here. And then I'm going to draw the snowman on top of it. So up a skip and up a skip. That simple. Here I need to start on B. So here's B, up a skip, and up a skip. Alright, and here I need to start on C. And then I'm going to go up a skip and up a skip. It's that easy. So many of my students have gotten this wrong just because they overthink it. This is very, very, very simple. Okay, D flat major. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to draw the key signature first. So D flat major has 5 flats. What is the order of flats? Well, it's the order of sharps backwards. So what is the last sharp? That would be B. And then the one before that would be E, and the one before that would be A, and the one before that would be D. It actually spells the word bead. And then the one before that would be G. Alright, there's my 5 flats. Let's do the same thing in the bass clef. Here's B, up to E, down to A, up to D, down to G. There we go. Order of flats. Now, let's just find D and draw a whole note on it. So the 1 would be D. Up a 4th from that would be G. Up one more from that would be A. So, D is number 1, G is number 4, A is number 5. Now we just do the same thing in the treble clef, but we complete the snowman. We just don't give the snowman its caboose. So here's D, and then complete the snowman. And then here's G, and then you just complete the snowman. And last one here is A, and then complete the snowman. And that took a little less than 5 minutes to do. I don't recommend you go this fast on the theory test. They're going to give you 3 hours to take this test. Use all the time and double check your work, please. Alright, question number 14 says, build major triads on the given root. Do not change the given note. Use accidentals when necessary. Accidentals meaning sharps or flats. Okay, so first we have to figure out how to build a major triad. Now, in the 6th grade theory test, you should have been asked to build major thirds. So, a major third equals how many half steps? It is 4 half steps. 4 half steps. HS, that's supposed to be an HS. 4 half steps for a major third. Now, if I lower it 1 half step, a minor third is 3 half steps. Okay? So let's look at this on a keyboard. Let me draw a keyboard here real quick. Just a simple little keyboard. Here is C, here is D, here is E. Now, from C to E, that is a third. Every time. C to E equals a third. Because the letter C and the letter E, they're 3 letters away from each other. Okay, so if I count the number of half steps from C to E, then that is 4 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you don't count C as number 1. It's not one note that makes a step. You have to have at least 2 notes to make a step. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 half steps make a major third. But if I lower it to E flat, then all of a sudden I have reduced the number of steps. So now it's 1, 2, 3. It takes 3 half steps to get to E flat, so that is a minor third. So 4 half steps is a major third, 3 half steps is a minor third. Now, let's erase all this. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do when you get to question number 14 is you're just going to build your snowman. So make sure you do that. Build all the snowmen, and then try to figure out if you are the correct half steps away from each other. Okay. So, I have all my snowmen built. Let me quickly draw a keyboard, and then we will go through this real fast. Okay. Adequate. Let's start with the first one. So, F sharp to A, we got to make sure that that is 4 half steps away. So, we're going to start here on F sharp. We got to go up 4 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I land on A? I did not land on A. I landed on A sharp. So here, I have to put a sharp on the A line. Okay? Now from A sharp, I need to go up 3 more half steps. So start on A sharp and go 1, 2, 3. Did I land on C? I did not. I landed on C sharp. So therefore, I need to put a sharp right here next to C. Alright, that's the first one. Let's see here. Next one, I gotta start on D, then go up 4 half steps. So D, 1, 2, 3, 4. I landed on F sharp, so I need to put a sharp next to F. Alright, and then I'm gonna start on F sharp, and I'm gonna go up 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3. I landed on G, and, I landed on A, and so I don't need to put a sharp there because I already have A right there. Okay, now let's start on A flat. A flat, let's change colors because it's getting kind of confusing. Okay, A flat would be right here. I'm going to go up 4 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I land on C? I did. Alright, now let's go up 3 more half steps. 1, 2, 3. I need to land on E flat. I don't have a flat on E, so let's add that real quick. And ta-da, there is my major triad. Alright, 2 more to go. Let's start on G. Find a G. Let's do this one in orange. Okay, so starting here on G, go up 4 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, did I land on B? Yes. And now I need to go up 3 more half steps. 1, 2, 3. Did I land on D? I did, so I don't have to change anything in that one. Last one, we're going to start here on B flat. Let's find a B flat. We're just going to try to go back to blue. So hopefully you can see this. I know it's kind of getting messy, but you get the general idea. So we're going to start here on B flat. We're going to go up 4 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should have landed on D. Yep. Okay. And then 3 more half steps. Going to start here on D. 1, 2, 3. Should have landed on F. Yep, that's it. Okay, so I didn't have to change anything in the last 2. Alright everyone, that is questions 13 and 14. I hope that was legible. If you didn't understand it, please ask me in your next lesson. If you are not my student, make sure to ask your teacher in your next lesson. And keep studying, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video.